Okay, so another option was added into Vue 11.5. It is when you work with materials, now you can easily switch materials between each other. So let's go ahead and open material editor, and you notice right here in our preview window, make it just a little bit bigger so we can see it. You can see we have it white with red stripe. If we look on our materials in environment, you notice the red stripe is limited by altitude range. So it's two simple materials set, white background, kind of bottom, and red plastic. We also on the notes right here, you notice now we have a small dot. The dot on the side, it has a different action with when you use the right or left button of the mouse. So example, if we're using and just click normally as a left, selecting the adjusting layers, we put layer below as usual, and we have a top plastic set, get set to 0. So we can kind of just readjust our settings. So again, we have this material, move down. This is how kind of worked before. But if we right click on this icon, what it does, it's actually swapped the properties in this material. So let's do it. We click right here. You notice now we have a white stripe. So all these properties of this layer with environment is pass to the object when we swap those materials. On this case, if you decide to have it snow on the bottom, for example, in environmental, if you have it snow in the rocks, and you decide to actually rocks should be on a place of the snow, before you kind of need to duplicate it. Now if you just right click, you can switch, and it will keep all your environmental, all your settings between the layers, so it just swaps materials. Okay, so this is another edition in the Vue 11.5.